Lyle Gore from Ethos Dynamics here again. Today, we're here to try and see if we can find a methodology to reduce power supply costs for Meraki dual power supply switches. One of the things that we do here at Ethos is not just by selling refurbished equipment, save money there, but we also try and help customers understand different places where there are opportunities for saving money. So in the case of what we have here, we've got an MS-250, the 48-port PoE switch with full power. That particular unit comes with an MA-PWR-1025 power supply. Now what's interesting on those is that they have this little sticker covering them here, which we're going to remove. And lo and behold, underneath the part number that's on there is just the traditional Cisco PWR-C2-1025WAC. It's not a huge factor, but the Meraki part number unit is considerably more expensive, so we're hoping that maybe this will be an opportunity for us to save customers more money by just using a traditional Cisco power supply. So we have this powered up, and what it's demonstrating here with the original power supply that's in it is that we're now getting PoE being passed through to these ports. So we're going to try and install this one as a secondary power supply. Actually, this was the MA-PWR. So what we're going to do is just take a standard PWR-C2 and we're going to install that one. So we'll get this up and running. Now, both of these units are manufactured by Delta. They have the same part number on them. So we're just going to try and see if we can get a cheaper way to do it. One of the other options on the dashboard is to check the power supply's functionality. So the first one is listed, again, as the original Meraki part number, and it's displaying that there's a 740 watt PoE budget, which is traditionally what you would expect on this. Wait for this to come up. Okay, so this power supply came up. It is noting that it is the traditional Cisco PWR-C2 part number, and it's stating that there is a 0 watt PoE budget. So it's not looking like we're going to have much luck here, but what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and unplug the Meraki part numbered one. We'll go back into our summary and refresh this, and we're going to see if we have any PoE being pushed. And it looks like now that it's refreshed, unfortunately, we lost all of our PoE options for both banks. The power side still does say 0 watts for PoE budget. So our theory that we might be able to save customer money on this looks like it's not going to work out this time. There is a difference on the labeling where the Meraki part number is on the full label for that power supply. So my guess is there's probably some firmware on there or something along those lines so that you aren't able to interchange them. But we're going to keep trying. We're here to save you money. Thank you very much.